Rise and grind, gentlemen. Welcome back to another video of Unskilled, Unsupervised. Today, we're watching, how the fuck do I spin this? We're watching this guy do something with a BMW. Yes.
Right, today Callum's putting some coilovers in the E30. Probably the easiest coilover install you can do. You've got 3 bolts here, 3 bolts here. Pull her out, slip the new one in. This one's came out of a very rusty one. Another parts one. So the third one? Fourth one? Fourth parts E30. Seen some better days. It's also got a V8 in it.
These flows kilos. I can sell snow to a ski.
How long do you reckon the front end take it?
Don't know. I don't like saying times anymore because I always say, oh, it's a 30-minute job and it fucking ends up being 6 hours. Before you take all these bolts out, it's probably a good idea to get the jack under the arm, support it so you don't fuck your brake line. Essentially, what we're doing first, disconnecting the hook from the shock, taking that all free, and dropping the shock from up here. Old one out, new one in. 2 back bolts, 1 bolt through, all out. Drop the top, all out.
Second by the drink.
Fancy China shop. Wow.
Low.
Time for the rears. Yep. First step is to remove all the shit from your boot. Yep. Is that a whole Kit Kat?
It is.
All yours. Thanks. These covers back. Nice and easy access.
1 bolt at the bottom.
2 at the top. There you go.
How it comes.
Have a look at our last mod in the Chrome video. These fix the problem, those fixed in a much nicer way. More bump stops equals more bitches. Much easier than the 36 and 46s.
Just slide the bolt back through the bottom of the shock. And that's that.
Research here. Alright, so that is about that much compared to about yay much. Take it for a bit of a test drive. Goes pretty good.
Cody doesn't want this vlogged because he doesn't want people to know he's spending money on a BMW. But look, BMW, brand new motor, all shiny with all the oil he just spilled all over it.
You just smacked your head again.
No, I didn't. No, not come on. Don't assault my intelligence in this way. There we go. What are you guys doing?
Fuck off, Craig.
What are you doing back here?
Shut up, Craig.
What are you guys doing?
You, Craig. Shut up, Craig.
Is that oil?